is a great day. It's an overcast day, but it's a great day because for me today is infusion day, which means I am on my way now to receive my MS medicine. I am on Ocrevus, which is like the greatest drug ever. It is a twice a year IV infusion. The IV drips last from like 4 to 6 hours. It is honestly the best nap you'll ever take in your life. It's great because they give you liquid Benadryl is straight in your IV, and it's like no other. This is about the 4th MS medicine I've been on. It's my favorite because I don't have to, like I was on an IV infusion at one point. Oh, I hope y'all can see me, I'm going under a tunnel. But I was on one IV infusion that was once a month. So I like that this one is every 6 months. I will get it today. I'll be up here all day. And then I will come back right after Christmas and get my second dose of it. Like I said, it is a twice a year infusion. I go every 6 months, once in July, and then right after Christmas I'll go again. Everything's gonna be great and hunky-dory as far as my MS symptoms. This past about week and a half to 2 weeks has been a little rough. We like to call that crap gap, but today we'll fix it all, and I'm so excited, and y'all are going to come along on the journey with me. Okay guys, I'm here at my infusion center. I've got my and I'm waiting for them to get a prescription to bring my medicine up, and then we will get started. I've already had all my pre-meds, which consist of like an acid reflux, medicine, Benadryl, and some Tylenol. That Benadryl has kicked it. So I'm just waiting for my IV bag now to get started. Alright guys, I got my medicine. I am all hooked up to my IV tablet. I got it in my arm, my Benadryl is in and running, and I'm going to sit here for the next 4 hours until this bag up here gets empty. I get it every 6 months, so twice a year I have to go through this. Here is a vulnerability insight. Today was my infusion day for my twice a year medication, Ocrevus. It is not a cure for MS, but it's just to stop the progression of MS. And usually after I get my infusions, I feel really great, walking really good, doing really well. But not today. I have been the conductor of the struggle bus today. My right ankle, which is usually my good ankle, wants to roll and curl up and shake and do all this crazy stuff. I mean, that's literally my only issue right now is that right ankle. It's been all day. So like this morning, I was kind of putting it off as like, okay, today's infusion day. Like my body knows this. I've been on this crap gap. So this afternoon it's going to be better. Now I can only hope and pray that tomorrow it'll be better. I'm well hydrated, had all my water and fluids today, but it's still just acting a fool. And walking for me is such a struggle today. It's so bad. But I just wanted to let y'all know on that little tidbit. I am now home for my 4-hour infusion. It was, I guess it was a good day. Everything went according as planned, like it always does with my infusions. No issues, no reactions to medications. So I think I started this medicine in 2018, so this is like my 10th infusion, I do believe. But I would appreciate it if y'all would like and subscribe and come back for more. Bye.